Hi everyone, I'm GoldQueen Queency and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today guys, I'm going to show you guys a tutorial on how I remove my makeup through my nighttime skincare routine. So guys, if you want to see that, let's get started. So guys, the first thing I'm going to do is to remove my makeup. First thing, I remove my false lashes, okay? And then making use of coconut oil guys, I'm going to apply some coconut oil to my pen, rub it, then apply it on my face in order to help soften my makeup and remove it, okay? And so guys, I will just rub my hands, my pen on my face, okay, while trying to remove my makeup or trying to soften it guys. So guys, after that I look so crazy, okay? So guys, I'm going to make use of these wetty baby wipes, okay? I'm going to take some wipes, okay, then go all over my face in order to clean it up, okay, clean off the makeup. So guys, can you see how easy it is to remove your makeup making use of just the coconut oil? You see how easy it softens the makeup guys. So guys, I just make sure I wiped out the makeup on my face guys, okay? I made use of some clean wipes, okay, while cleaning my lips, okay, wiping out the lipsticks on my lips and then going all over my face to make sure that I remove every piece of makeup, okay? So guys, I made sure I cleaned every areas of my face. I applied makeup, okay? This is to ensure that it is easy for me to wash it off. And then with another clean wipe, okay, I just went underneath of my eyes to clean off the eyeliner I applied there. And then so guys, making use of this Johnson Baby Active Fresh Bath, okay, I apply some on my pen, then rub it on my face, okay guys. After applying it to the whole of my face including my lips, I went ahead to wash it off, okay? After washing it off, I'm going to make use of this Bio Aqua, okay, it's a peel off mask babes. So I opened it up and then applied it to a flat foundation brush. So guys, I make sure that I wet my brush before applying it, okay? And then guys, you can see it's peeling, okay? So I just apply the Bio Aqua peel off mask, okay, to my face, okay, excluding my eye area and my lips. And I just took my time applying it, okay guys. This is actually how I take off my makeup through my nighttime skincare routine, because I recently had an acne breakout and also I have been changing my makeup routines or my skincare routines, okay guys. It's very good you switch off, as in you change the products you use on your face so that your skin doesn't get used to a particular product, okay guys. That's what I normally do. So guys, after that I'm going to put a timer to 15 minutes. I'm going to then allow it to dry. So guys, you guys can see it's already dry, and now I'm going to try to take off the peel off mask guys. So guys, it's hot. I never knew, okay, I've never experienced a mask that is as strong as this, okay? It's so painful to take it off, okay? And then I just took it off, took my time, okay, in order to take it off. And then guys, even though I had some redness as a result of me taking off the fixed mask, so guys, I just took my time, okay, peeling off. So guys, it works. Can you see how much my skin has changed or how it feels right now? So guys, after taking it off, I went ahead to apply this Fasale Unicorn Essence, okay, oil to my face, serum to my face. And then I applied this Garnier in the Light Complete Session Yogurt Sleeping Mask babes. I took it out. So guys, this is what it looks like. And then I opened it up and then it's peeled again. So guys, I just applied it to my face, okay, including my eye area, because it's a sleeping mask. I applied all over my face. So guys, I make sure I introduce 1 or 2 products to my skincare routine all the time, okay? I don't make use of any particular product. So guys, after that as well, you need to keep your lips moisturized. I'm going to make use of this Maybelline Baby Lips, okay? It's in the one Berry Crush also, because I went ahead to open it up, then applied it to my lips. And so guys, that is it on my nighttime skincare routine stroke how I take off my makeup. So guys, this is what I've been doing, okay, in order to take under control the acne breakers I have, okay guys. And then guys, since then I've been switching off my skincare products, okay, or alternating my skincare routines guys. I've never had any pimples or acne. So guys, thank you so much guys for watching my video. Please don't forget to like my video, comment, share. Follow me on my Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat and Twitter guys. Also guys, I'm going to sleep. Bye bye, love you guys.